Today I'm going to teach you how to put a contact lens in your eye without a mirror. So first, open the contact lens. Make sure the contact lens is not backwards. Now the contact lens is backwards. You can tell because the edges are very slightly flared out. The subtle difference is important because you will feel some discomfort if you put the contact lens in backwards. Another thing that you can do to make sure that the contact lens is in the correct position is look for the numbers 1, 2, 3 on the outside of the lens. If you can read them correctly, that means the contact is in the right position and ready to go in the eye. Now, I want you to focus at a point in the distance, and you're going to close the eye that you're not putting the contact lens in. Close the eye, focus at a point in the distance, and you're going to watch that contact come right at you. Hold it for a second. Watch the vision get clear. Done. So this is how I, as an ophthalmologist, take out my contact lenses. It's really easy. You're just going to use your ring finger here. You're going to look to one side, slide the lens over the eye, and just pop it out. It's really easy. You'll know the contact lens is off the eye because your vision will become blurry. All done, quick and easy.